Rồi, chào mọi người. Chào mừng mọi người đã quay trở lại kênh của mình là Hồng Cốt cùng tôi. Hôm nay sẽ đến với phần 3 2.3. Rồi, bắt đầu thôi.
Today, in this lesson on using SQL Workshop, I will be talking about data workshop and sample datasets. Let's get started. In this section, you learn how to load and unload data using the data workshop. You also learn how to access sample datasets in Apex. Use the data workshop page to load data into your workspace from various file formats such as XLSX, CSV, XML, and JSON. Use the Load Data Wizard to load from various file formats into your workspace and Unload Data Wizard to export your data in text or XML format. Now, let us look at the steps to access the data load or unload page. From your Apex Workspace homepage, click the down arrow next to SQL Workshop and select Utilities. Select Data Workshop. The Data Workshop page appears. You can click Load Data to load data into your workspace and unload data to export data from your workspace. Alternatively, to access the data load unload page, you can click the SQL Workshop icon from the workspace homepage. Select Utilities. Select Data Workshop. Click the appropriate icon to load data or unload data and follow the on-screen instructions. Sample datasets enable you to easily build sample applications. Each dataset includes sufficient data to build pages with various components. Install, refresh, or replace sample datasets within one of the schemas associated with your workspace. The database objects can also be easily removed. Each dataset includes various database objects and sample data. The sample data is available in one or more languages. Note: only a single language can be loaded into the sample database objects. If you select a different language, the currently loaded data is replaced. Now let us see how to access the sample dataset from the Apex homepage. From your Apex homepage, click on SQL Workshop, Utilities, and Sample Datasets. The Sample Datasets page appears with a list of datasets. You can click on Install next to any of the sample dataset in order to install this sample dataset into your workspace. To summarize, in this section, you gained an understanding about Data Workshop, an Oracle Apex utility used to load and unload data. You also learned how to access sample datasets, which can be used to develop sample applications. I hope you learned something useful. Thank you for watching.
Cảm ơn mọi người đã xem clip. Thì nay đã xong ngày 3, phần 3, phần 2.3. Rồi, cảm ơn mọi người đã xem. Bye bye.